let's we talk about the compound interest. The interest calculated on the principal and the interest accumulated over the previous period. The interest applied in valuation of loans, savings, insurance and investment. This method also calculated based on the accumulated past interest the previous S become the new P. As you can see, Mr. Sasha invested RM5,000 on 16 April 2016 in an investment account that offers compound interest of 5% per annum, compounded semi-annually on 16 April 2017. The interest rate changed to 3.7% per annum, compounded quarterly until 16 October 2019. In addition, on 16 April 2018, Mr. Sasha added RM3,000 to the same investment account. Okay, for question A, calculate the accumulated amount in the account on 16 October 2019 without the RM3,000 addition. P equal to 5,000, T equal to 1, K equal to 0.05 divided to M equal to. For 16 April 2016 to 16 April 2017, with an interest rate of 5% and without an additional RM3,000, I solved this problem and I got RM5,253.13. The date shows 16 April 2017 to 16 October 2019 with an interest rate of 3.7%. After calculating using the compound interest formula, I got RM5,759.77.
Calculate the total interest earned from the original 5,000 ringgit, we use the formula I equals to S minus P. And then substituting the values into the formula, which is I equals to 5,759 ringgit 78 cents minus 5,000. So the total interest earned is 759 ringgit 78 cents. Question asked to find the final balance on 16 October 2019 if 3,000 ringgit was invested on 16 April 2018. The interest is compounded quarterly at an annual rate of 3.7%. Firstly, determine the time period from 16 April 2018 to 16 October 2019 is 1 year 6 months or 1.5 years. And then use the compound interest formula, which is S equals to P in bracket 1 plus I power of n, where P equals to 3,000, K equals to 3.7%, M equals to 4, T equals to 1.5, I equals to 0.037 divided by 4, N equals to 4 multiplied by 1.5, and we get 6. And then substitute into the formula, which is S equals to 3,000 in bracket 1 plus 0.037 divided by 4 power of 6, and the final amount becomes 3,170 ringgit and 40 cents. From the previous question, Hasha earned 759 ringgit 78 cents interest from 5,000. So the total final balance is 3,170 ringgit and 40 cents plus 759 ringgit 78 cents. So the total final balance on 16 October 2019 is 8,930 ringgit and 18 cents.
Finally, the total amount without additional money RM3,000 is a RM5,759.
Annuity. Annuity is financial product or agreement where you receive a series of regular payments over a period of time, usually in exchange for an entire lump sum or a series of contributions. Example, financial consultants use annuity calculations to advise people on investment. A property agent uses annuity calculations to estimate the repayments of housing and car loans. Suraja buys a new car which is branded Proton S15 for the top spec variant 1.5 TDDI flagship for 160,900 ringgit, and she pays 10% down payment. She takes a loan from RHB Bank to settle the balance. The first investment is due 1 month after the date of purchase and the interest rate 3.18% compounded monthly. Question is, calculate the monthly payment. First of all, we should know which one the formula we should use for this question. The formula is A equal R multiply 1 minus 1 plus I power negative m divide I. Before we calculate, we should know the right value to use in the formula. Now, for value of I is K divided M, which is 0.0318 divided 12. For the value N is M multiply T when 12 multiply 9, and the value of N is 108. Now, we should find the value of A. The way to find the value of A is 116,900 ringgit multiply 10%, and the answer is 11,690 ringgit. But this is not the correct answer for A. The correct answer for A is A equal 116,900 ringgits minus 11,690 ringgit. The value for A is 105,200. Now we can calculate the monthly payment. A equal R multiply 1 minus 1 plus I power negative n divide I. 105,210 ringgits equal R multiply 1 minus 1 plus 0.0318 divide 12 power negative 108 divide 0.0318 divide 12. 105,210 ringgits equal R multiply 93.8125. R equal 105,200 ringgit divide 93 and 93.8125. The value of R is 1,121 ringgit 49%.
By 108 months. To calculate the total interest charge, we first multiply the monthly payment, which is 1,121 ringgit and 49 cents. That gives us a total payment of 121,120 ringgit and 92 cents. We subtract the loan amount, which is 105,210 ringgit. So the total interest charge is 15,910 ringgit and 92 cents.
We can continue with the second last question. The question is, immediately after paying for 6 years, Surya wants to settle the loan in full. How much is the amount that Surya needs to be paid? The outstanding arrears. The formula is S equal R multiply 1 plus I power n minus 1 divide I. S equal 1,121 ringgit 49 cents multiply 1 plus 0.0318 divide 12 power 3 multiply 12 minus 1 divide 0.0318 divide 12. The value for S is 42,302 ringgit 45 cents.
Since Roger missed the first 3 payments, she still owes the bank 3 months worth of installment, which is 3 times 1,121 ringgit and 49 cents, totaling 3,364 ringgit and 47 cents. On top of that, the outstanding loan balance after 3 months is approximately 98,038 ringgit and 59 cents. Therefore, to fully settle the loan on the 4th month, she must pay a total of 101,103 ringgit and 6 cents.